How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can clean face in Snapseed. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to import your photo onto Snapseed. In here, click Tools, select Healing, and then you could just zoom in onto your model and just go ahead and brush over to the acne area, or maybe to go ahead and basically clean the face itself. So in here, I'm just going to simply brush over it. And as you can see, it will then remove, or it will then clean the face onto our model right here. So you could just go ahead and keep doing this until you get your desired look. Now you will be able to simply edit this accordingly depending on your image. So for example, let's go ahead and grab another one right here. And simply with this one, we could just go ahead and once again scroll up and then try to clean the face itself. So that's how easy it is to use the healing brush. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.